Hello, I'm Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. Today I want to talk about veneer. You know, there was a time when I thought that veneer just meant cheap furniture that was going to wear out and not be very good for very long. But boy, was I wrong. Some of the finest work in woodworking is done in veneer, and that has been true for centuries. And it continues to this day. So it's appropriate also to know that veneer is a natural product, it is a wood product, and it is also environmentally responsible. You know, veneer gives woodworkers the opportunity to work with some of the most spectacular species and figure and colors that they could never get a hold of in solid lumber. So it just expands the palette of what you can do with your woodworking. So it's appropriate that we would offer a contest that is, we think, the most prestigious contest and certainly the one with the biggest purse for woodworking in the world. You can win thousands of dollars for your veneer woodworking in the Veneer Tech Craftsman's Challenge. We're happy at Woodworking Network to be the owners of this contest now, and we're still working in close cooperation with Veneer Technologies to provide a great contest for the best woodworking in furniture and architectural millwork, cabinets, and specialty products, and marquetry, and student work, with a top prize of $3,000 and other prizes in thousands of dollars. And each category is a $1,000 top prize. So there's a lot of money to be made, not to mention the prestige. You'll have your work featured on the cover of FDMC Magazine and on the Woodworking Network website, where thousands of people will see your work. So don't delay. You've got to enter in this contest. I'm going to be one of the judges, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the entries. The deadline for entries is coming up fast. It's June 7th. It's real simple to enter the contest. You can do it all with an online form. To learn more about the contest, go to woodworkingnetwork.com/challenge. I'd like to see your entry in the Veneer Tech Craftsman's Challenge, sponsored by Woodworking Network and Veneer Technologies.